Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to handle the menus and submenus. So this is the Flipkart application. In the Flipkart application you see various menus like fashions, electronics, home and furnitures. Like this, we have a bunch of menus. Inside the menus we have a submenus. If you mouse over to the men's bottom here, we have a bunch of submenus inside that. Men's footwear, men's sports shoes, men's casual shoes and all these things. We have so many men's footwear. So there are a bunch of things, a bunch of submenus inside this one. So what I'll do, I'll handle this main menu as well as the submenus. So how to handle this by using Selenium Java. Let me go to the Eclipse. Here I'm going to create a new class for that. Handling menus. Handling menus. So I have a setup method, public static void setup method. And before that, I need to create an instance for the WebDriver driver. And this must be static because I'm using the starting methods, right? So I'll copy paste the old code, which I already created for the other classes. This is my flipkart.com. Copy this, paste here. So my initialization, my setup is ready for launching the Chrome browser, navigate into the flipkart.com. And then I'll create another method that is called handling menus and submenus. So first let's go back and get the property of this element, fashion, as well as the men's or women's footwear. Anything is fine. I'll go with the men's footwear. I'll take the property of this fashions. Right click on this element, inspect element. I can find fashions. Go to here, fashion. Fashions. And this is a span element. Above this one, we don't see any static property for here. So what I'll do, I'll take the container for this entire container, copy, Ctrl F, / star, @ID is equal to containers. And inside this, I have a span element following / span of text is equal to what? Fashion. I got the element. Copy this. Now let's go back and paste here. So for this, I need to create a web element. I would say this is called menu is equal to driver.findElement by .xpath. Done. Now I need to get the property of this women footwear also. So I can focus on this one, right click, inspect element. And these are the anchor tags or links. These are links. For above, we don't have any class. Class is a start dynamic one, and which is not suitable. And this is also not works. And this also doesn't work. And we have a toast. We can take this one. /star, @ID is equal to fine. And we need following of a anchor tag. In the anchor tags, we have a bunch of things. I want to get text is equal to so on. So that is called women footwear. Got it. So for this, I'm going to create another web element. It's called submenu is equal to driver.findElement by .xpath. Right, this is fine. Shall we also click on the inside the submenu? That also is fine if you want to do that. I want to click on women's sports shoes. So for this, you can use the same one only, the doesn't impact anything. You can use the same one, but you have to use a different web element again. Web element s menu is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath and what is that? Women's footwear, and we have the women's sports shoes. Women sports shoes. So I'll copy the same xpath, paste here, and women sports shoes. Right. So I have 3 web elements. So after this, first of all, if you want to mouse over to the web element, in Selenium, right? So you have to use the action class. Actions, we have to use it. So for that, I'm going to create an actions object. SAT is equal to new actions of driver, WebDriver, and then object name dot move to element. Which element? Main menu. This is the main menu. Dot build dot perform. So that means when you mouse over to, and that means move to element. So the driver will come to this menu and it will be populated this list of submenus. Now after that, I want to act dot move to element of submenu. This is submenu dot build dot perform. And then again, I have to women's footwear, right? So I have to mouse out to this women's sportswear. I want to mouse over to women's sports shoes. Then I have to click on this one. So act dot move to element s menu dot build dot perform. But the thing is, you need to cut this one and paste here. Done. Then I want to click on it. Act dot click dot perform. That's it. So let's call this out here. And I want to call this method into the main method. Run. So women footwear is not working. I think there is some women sports shoes. Okay, understood. So I'll do one thing. I'll remove this first and paste here. Now we'll try it. It's a problem. Women footwear. It's not mouse out actually. Let me run once again. Oh goodness. Yes, it's clicked on sports shoes. So I need to verify this text, this header. Right click on this one, inspect element, and this is going to be header h1. So what I'll do, I'll come here, string header is equal to driver dot find element by dot tag name of header h1 dot get text. That's it. So then I need to verify this title, right? So this header dot contains this one, then it should pass, else fail, else it is going to be failed. Now let us run this. Clicked on it and it is verified and it should be pass. Yeah, it is pass. But this kind of practice is not good because it's a static XPath we have taken. We should take the dynamic XPath, right? So this fashion is going to be changed, and in the future, it is going to be electronics menu. Inside that we can have the gaming and the sub menus are here. So it can be different. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll make this as a dynamic one. So how to make this as a dynamic one? I'll just copy this and paste it another method. I have another method that is called with dynamic. So how to do with the dynamic one? So these are the three menus, right? Main menu, sub menu, and inside the sub menu. So I'll create three parameters or three arguments inside the method. This is the menu, string, sub menu, string, SS menu. So remove this double quotes, plus, and here menu, and the same thing here also. This is sub menu. Sorry, double quotes, plus, sub menu, and women's wear also, women's sports shoes also. This is SS menu. Now you can call this out. I think there is some clash here. This method, this is object, and this one is same. So I'll give a different one. This is just the main. Main menu. I'll copy this and paste here. Now it looks good. Sub menu and this sub menu is matching. No, it's not matching. Cool. I'll copy this out and I'll paste here. So now you can call any method, any menu here. I'm going to call this time electronics, gaming, games, electronics, gaming, and games. So we can call this out here, electronics, gaming, games, electronics, gaming, and games. So after clicking on this one, I need to verify this games title, header. This should be games. Now you can run it, it should pass. Gaming and games. It's passed. So this is how you need to handle the menus and submenus in the web application. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next session.